Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to do a quick grocery haul, basically show you guys everything I've got that I'm going to use for about a week or two and what I'll be using them for. Let's go. Whoa. It's a big bag. What do we have here? Oh, we have plantain. This is what I mean. There are different kinds of plantains here, but this I found out to be the best version of plantain, or the best species of plantain here in China, and it's really nice. I'm loving it. And the annoying part, I don't say annoying, but I mean it's quite annoying though, that you can't order more than this 400 500 grams per order. So anytime I'm buying, sometimes I'll use my account and my husband's account to get to this milk, mostly for baking and the rest. Okay, let me just keep them here. This is called cantaloupe melon. I have a recipe. I have a smoothie recipe with this. Two recipes with this. You want to check it out. Cantaloupe melon is so sweet. It's a blend of pawpaw and watermelon. Yeah, it's very nice. Maybe I'll cut it through so you can see what it looks like. I'm so glad that these grapes are back in season. They were off season for a while and now they are back. So it's time to enjoy some grapes. Of course, some peppers. I'm gonna blend this like my meal prep. If you have not seen the meal prep video, check it out. I'm gonna meal prep this much later in the day, so I'll just keep them right here. Okay, you can stay here for now. Yeah, some tomatoes. Okay. This is in the berry family. They call it soapberry. Soapberry species. It's called lychee. It's quite nice. You just need to peel it like this. Peel it and enjoy the sweetness inside. This is so sweet. I found out that fruits generally in China are really, really sweet. I don't know. Sweet. The way these things were packed. Coconut milk, of course, for smoothie recipes most of the time, and oats, overnight oats, and the rest. I prefer to use coconut milk. Some fresh parsley. Look at it. Why is onion this big? Like, why are they this big? Why? Like, I really don't like this kind of onions. I prefer to just pick a bowl of onion and just use. I don't have to cut it and keep it to use the rest later. Like, I don't like it. But sometimes when I order them online, this is the size they come at. I mean, this big, so big. And I got 2 bags of it, so I can use some for my meal prep. This is even going to last me more than 2 weeks. Gosh, I should have just bought 1 pack. Carrots. But why is this purple cabbage more expensive? I just love it for the color, really. I don't know if it has more nutritional value or something. Let me know in the comment section, or let us know in the comment section if you have more information about this, if it has more nutrition, more nutrients and all of that. But I mean, for me it's just the color, really, because it looks nice when I add it to salads and all. What do we have here? Pitch it, pitch it, pitch it, baby, pitch it. Pitch. we're gonna make smoothies. Check out the recipes. I have lots of smoothie recipes, so check them out. One thing I love about China is that every season has fruits you can enjoy at low cost. Like winter has a variety of fruits you can enjoy. Summer has a variety of, like, every season there's just an array of fruits you can just, enjoy yourself. And I love it. I love it because I love fruits, and I don't think there's any fruits that I will say and I will not try. So long as it's fruits, I'm gonna try it. But for food, I'm always picky. But fruits, introducing to you guys different fruits as much as I try and enjoy. Even if I don't enjoy it, I'll still give you reviews about the fruits. I mean, I got to know about dragon fruit. I mean, that one too is odogo in smoothies because I mean, I love the color. It's pink. I mean, there's white and pink. I love the color. And then kiwi. There are a whole lot of fruits that I can't wait to show you guys as I keep using them. I buy this egg every week. I buy a crate of egg every week because we consume a lot of eggs in this house. So every week, aside even baking, and everything, every week I'll get a crate of egg. And all of this RMB, that's Chinese yuan, 116, which is about 25,000, 25 to 30,000 depending on the exchange rate. I really can't say if food is cheap or expensive in China, but I feel like relatively it's affordable. I mean, compared to their currency strength and everything, it's affordable. These vegetables, really, if you check them, they're just minimal cost and all. So yeah, thank you for watching, and do well to check out my smoothie recipes, check out and meal prep videos and all of that. See you with another video. Bye.